Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to do a little bit of planned maintenance on this joint right here from my well water. Looks like it could fail. Here is a photo of the fitting that I'm going to repair. It is the water inlet from the well water pump. As you can see, it has some corrosion on it. Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to turn the pump off so that when we open the line there, that the pump doesn't come on. We're going to turn this off, and then we're going to drain as much water as we can out of the line. So we got the water turned off right here. And the reason for that is we're just going to drain this little bit out of this line here. We don't have to drain the whole house. We've got a union right here, and that's our next step. We're going to take that union apart and drain the water out. So I will be using an adjustable wrench on the left side and a 14-inch pipe wrench on the right side. To keep the water from spraying everywhere, I'm going to place a rag over the union. So this is pretty much drained out. We got a little bit in there. And now we're going to take this piece off. So I'm going to move these over here just to get them out of the way. There's that. There's that. Now we're going to... There we go. There. So that's what we got in there, is a barb fitting. Alright. So this is not what I expected. It is not a piece of galvanized. It is a barb fitting here, but it is not a galvanized piece that I can tell. It's not plastic either, but I'm going to go clean this up and we'll make it look pretty, and we'll put it back together and see what we got. I think the clamps may have gotten loose over time just from the vibration and the work. We've been here 4 years and I've never touched this, so we're going to clean it up and put some new clamps on there. So I cleaned the fitting up on my wire wheel and it came out pretty clean. I noticed the barbs are a little bit worn down here and just at the front maybe worn. So I went back to the hardware store and I picked up another barb fitting here. This is actually a brass one. Obviously it's not a stainless steel, but it should work just fine. So we're going to take this off, put this on, and put this all back together. Okay, so got that pipe wrench on, give this a shot, and there we go, got that, and let's get our new fitting on. Just a side note, I did use some pipe dope on the new fitting before I installed it. That's good. Okay, so I got brand new clamps I bought. Figured we might as well use some good new clamps. Since there's a probability that the old ones did not work that well. And we're just going to kind of work this into place. There's no threads on here, but pushing it. There we go. Now we'll get those clamps on. They're all set. Right there on the clamp. So I think that's pretty good. And obviously it's tight to start with. I think what happened to this is the clamps just got loose. So it might not be a bad for me to check the tightness on that a couple times a year anyway. That's pretty tight. let's get this back here. And we'll turn that water back on. All right, I'm going to turn the power back on right here. We're going to turn the power back on. And there we go. And we're going to fill the system up. And we'll go from there. But it looks like we did it. Okay, we're back in business. No water leaks, no nothing. So we got our pump back up, no pressure, and we're ready to go.
This photo is a before and after picture of what that fitting looked like. I definitely think something needed to be done, and changing the barb fitting was the best answer.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.